So we're going to try on this video to create a video out of a post, a text-based post. So first, let's check that we're authenticated. We'll check our socials. If we wanted to repost to Twitter or to Reddit, we would obviously need to authenticate with them. But right now, it looks like we're logged into the platform, so we should be good. Let's then check our post format. We can see over here that we've extracted some posts from Reddit, and we look over here, and the idea behind posts is that we have some textual schema. It can also have other things, any form of media, etc., that we can start off with to provide to the editor so that it can generate cooler content. So clearly we have a post over here, just some basic text content, not much going on. So now let's look at decorators. So this is kind of the meat of the editor. So a decorator essentially takes some form of unedited content and produces an asset out of it. So that could be very, very simple. This decorator, for example, simply extracts a text element from the post I just referenced. Or we could have more intricate decorators. So if we have this text element, we could, for example, want to make some images out of it. So we could want to render the text on an image with some color, with some format, some font. That could be cool. We could also generate some audio from those different text segments using some text-to-speech software. We can create, we can create videos out of those image-audio pairs. We can merge those videos together. And finally, if we want to, we can overlay that video on another video. So this is a very limited subset of the decorators available on Pools, but it can produce a very cool form of content. So let's go ahead and use this decorator to create a repost. So we choose our decorator. Now we need to choose the post we want. Let's choose the post we were talking about. We'll choose the topic as like test or something. We can do Reddit as our platform. And now we can create, and we will wait for the editor to finish generating our content. All right, looks like we have rendered. So we'll load up our asset.
Testing the Pools editor. This video was produced by the Pools editor to test its text-to-speech templates.
So we can see that we generated just a very generic text-to-speech video from a post, but it demonstrates a couple of the cool parts of the Pools editor. First of all, we can see how we broke down that media generation process into components that users can manipulate and control and provide customization to. So you can always change this up by, I don't know, maybe changing the text color. Maybe you want to do a different overlay. Maybe you just don't want to do an overlay video, or maybe you want to do 3 overlays. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff you can do by manipulating the decorators. It also shows that we can convert from any type of content to any type of content. The text became audio, which also became images, which became a video once it was all overlaid together. And we can also reverse that process. We can take frames from the video, create different images, process those images, maybe put them into another video. There's a lot of flexibility that you get by being able to mix and match all these decorators. And so yeah, there's the demo of the Pools editor.